Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone keyboard stopped working. A lot of iPhone users have recently shared reports where they mentioned that the keyboard on their iPhone has suddenly stopped working and they are unable to type anything. It is really a major issue to be considered. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for is start the iPhone device. If the keyboard is not working due to the internal minor software bugs of the iPhone, you can clear those glitches easily by restarting your iPhone once and see if this works. For this you just need to the settings page, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on shutdown and then slide to power off, and after some time press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears and you are done. And the next step is install the recent update. For this you just need to go to the settings page, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If there is any update available, then press on download and install option to update your phone and you are done. And the next step is reset the keyboard dictionary. You have to first open the settings app, then go to the general option from the settings menu list, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then click reset. Later select the reset keyboard dictionary option from the pop-up menu on the screen. You might be required to enter your iPhone passcode. Once done, finally click reset dictionary and you are done. And the next step is check if emoji is working. Go to the messages app and open a message. Once you see the keyboard layout, long tap on the smiley icon at the bottom left corner. After that, select the emoji option from the contacts menu. This opens the emoji layout. Check whether you are able to use the emoji without any issue. If yes, it means there is no issue with the emojis and only the selected keyboard is not working. Verify the keyboard setting. Now that you have found that something is wrong with the keyboard, you need to go to the keyboard settings from the contacts menu. Select the keyboards option at the top by clicking on it. If there is no keyboard option that you are using while typing, you need to add the keyboard by clicking on add a new keyboard and following the on-screen instructions, and you are done. And the next step is try switching a different keyboard. If you have several language keyboard downloaded and installed on your iPhone, try switching to a different language keyboard. For this, open the messages app. Long tap on the emoji icon at the bottom left side of the keyboard. Select a different languages keyboard from the list in the contacts menu by simply tapping on it. After selecting, try typing something on the keyboard and check if this works or not. And you are done. And the next step is rotate the iPhone screen to check the keyboard. You have to launch the control center screen on your iPhone by swiping down the iPhone screen from the top right side. After the control center screen appears, turn off the portrait orientation lock by tapping on it. Next, go to the keyboard to type on any application. After the keyboard layout appears, rotate your phone to landscape, to left or right. Now that the screen is also rotated accordingly, check whether the keyboard is working or not, and you are done. And the next step is install a third-party keyboard on your iPhone. We are using Gboard, the Google keyboard, as an example, but you are free to install any third-party keyboard you like. Go to the App Store. Click on the search button at the bottom. Type Gboard in the search bar. Tap on it. Now click the Get button to download and install the Gboard Google Keyboard app on your iPhone. After it is done, go to the keyboard layout and long press on the emoji icon to see the contacts menu. Here you will see the Gboard option in the contacts menu which you have selected by tapping on it. Now try typing anything on this keyboard and see if this works or not. I hope this solution will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.